Hey guys, I'm Sean with TOMAR Electronics. We're here with Midco at the American Towman show here in Las Vegas. And with me today is Pete. He's been in the towing industry for numerous years, since 1979, right?
Yes.
So we're going to walk around this vehicle, talk about the advantages of partnering together and the solutions that we've come up with, especially for you guys on the road. Tell us about Midco and what you guys are about.
Midco is the newest and largest stocking equipment dealer in the southwestern United States. We deal with the Jerr-Dann products as well as several others. What we use a lot is we always use the best products. We always use top-of-the-line products, and one of the top-of-the-line products that we always use on all of our trucks is TOMAR products, TOMAR Electronics lighting. Things that we found on the TOMAR products is they focus on the direction that you want to push people and keep them away from the tow trucks. They don't just flood the area with lighting and make it look like a big blob in the middle of the road of lighting. They tell people exactly what they're supposed to do, precisely where they're supposed to be and where they're supposed to go. Driver safety, the quality of our equipment is very, very important to us. That's very paramount to us.
Midco is located in Chandler, Arizona, and TOMAR is also in Gilbert, Arizona. Both family-run companies, so the partnering together seemed very natural to us. And so when they proposed their product and they went over in detail about what they do, it's a no-brainer for TOMAR to get on board and partner together to provide a one-stop solution to get the best equipment in the towing industry. So let's walk around this truck, kind of label the advantages of what we did.
This is a Ford F450. It's a wheel lift, it's a self-loader. It's a pretty quick truck to operate. And as you can see on the Fords, we have the benefit of the logo, and we can put one of the lights in here at an angle, and it kind of pushes, again, people away from the truck.
Yeah, and what he's talking about is this is a Rec 16. And like I mentioned in the other video with the side puller, is we have specialized optics when it comes to this light head. So this is in a vertical optic. So while it's in a vertical position, it's pushing light strategically out to the drivers to give them an advance warning of the scene ahead. As we move down to the side of the truck, you'll notice near the step, there's what we call an eyelet series. And this is a tri-function light, has several different modes capable. But the great thing about this, and what Midco loves to implement, is this. You have your warning mode, whether it's amber white, amber red, or just amber. Once you get on scene, you flip another switch, and now it overrides to a white scene light. So now the whole side of your truck is an effective scene light, and you're not paying an additional cost for extra full lights or scene lights to accompany the warning lights. And kind of the main focus, or what's kind of taken the show by storm here at the American Towman, is we debuted this at the start of the show, which was yesterday.
Yes.
And this was Pete's idea. He came to TOMAR, effectively called the Angel Wings, but he wanted a solution that would provide a cushion of safety, especially for the operator that's working near the side of the truck or getting out of the truck, to further direct people away or to notify them of scene. So Pete, you want to kind of talk about the basis of where you came up with this?
One of the things that the Angel Wings does is obviously it folds up and it locks in place. All the driver has to do is unlock it, set it up, and as you can see is my shoulders, it's really putting about that much space for safety for the driver. And as you can see, it doesn't stick out much further than the mirror or the door when you open it.
And so this provides, like Pete is saying, just that extra cushion. So it's not really meant to block a lane of traffic. We understand the hazards in that, but to give the operator that little bit of space to try and mitigate a car coming in and
tell people to move away.
Yeah.
And if someone does get too close, they do break away. They're spring-loaded and they do break away.
As we move further up to the truck, we implemented a 58-inch Black Widow. Again, this was Pete and Midco's invention of creating a all-in-one or all-encompassing light bar. So it's called the Towman Special. So it includes your warning, rear scene light, stop, tail, turn modules when the truck is on, and scene light to the side and front as well. So Again, we implement strategic optics. We call them CVOs, or clear vision optics. So it focuses the light downrange and not just, wherever the case may be. So effective lighting with, an effective solution hopefully mitigates that liability, and, your tow truck operators are safe on the road.
And as you can see, we use the Jerr-Dann products, which is a fine product and it's top quality. We want our drivers to have the best. We want them to be safe, we want them to have the best, and we want them to come home at night. This is a MPL-NG, and it's the NG stands for obviously aluminum on the periodic table, and it's an aluminum bed, and so it makes it a little bit lighter and it won't rust. And it's a self-loader, so it's all remote control from inside the truck. They also come with a complete set of dollies. We use all the in-the-ditch products because we feel they're far superior, and because they're greasable, you don't have to take the bearings out to repack the wheel bearings. And if you get an all-wheel drive vehicle, say like even a Tesla or some car like that, you can pick it up from the front wheels, you can put the dollies under it, and you can tow it down the road. And you can get off the freeway reasonably quick.
Moving to the back of the vehicle, we have another series of our eyelid. Like I mentioned before, these are very customizable, so whatever your application or your colors are, you can program them that way. They're very application friendly and based for all your needs. So Pete, I appreciate it. Our partnership is very valued, and to provide our towmen with a one-stop solution, please see Pete Colantoni at Midco, or any one of the sales associates over there in Chandler. Call them up or get on the web. And
if you're a seasoned tower like myself, or if you're just starting out, please feel free to come by, tap into our knowledge, our expertise, and let us help you. We'd be more than happy to help. We love people that are just starting up. We love people that are just starting out, and we want to keep you guys safe. We want to provide you with a superior product, and we definitely want to see you get home safe.
Awesome.
Thank you.
Thank you, Pete. Take care, guys. See you soon.